If you feel anxious, scared, or nervous about visiting the dentist, you're not alone. Many people are afraid to come in for dental appointments, and because of this, they struggle to maintain good dental health and attractive smiles. Thanks to Sedation Dentistry, though, you no longer need to be afraid. You can choose from laughing gas, oral sedation, or IV sedation to help you tolerate treatment. These options can be helpful if you suffer from dental anxiety, have low tolerance for pain, have an unusually strong gag reflex, or are afraid of needles, or simply want to get a large block of dental treatment completed in one visit. An experienced sedation dentist can explain the pros and cons of each type of sedation, and together you can decide which one's right for you. There's never been a better time to take care of yourself and complete the dental treatment that you might have been postponing. Call today for an appointment and you'll see how the miracle of sedation dentistry can make dental treatment simple.